Okay, today we will learn how to enter service mode on this imageRunner 2004N. This is from Canon, okay, and we have to press some key combination. Use, press, home, reset, back, home, and you will enter in service mode. Select copier, function, clear, error, and it will show press start for clearing errors. It will be executed. Turn off machine, turn it on again, and it will start working normally. Okay, remember, home, reset, back, home to enter in service mode. Thank you for watching.